Begin by creaming the soft butter with powdered sugar for 3 minutes using an electric mixer until it becomes fluffy and creamy in color. Add the eggs one by one along with the vanilla extract, beating for 20 seconds each time. Scrape the sides of the bowl and beat again until uniform. Gradually add the mixture of flour, baking powder, and salt in 2 stages, mixing well after each addition. Mix the ingredients gently with a spatula or your fingertips in the second stage. Avoid overmixing. Spread the dough evenly on a baking tray and refrigerate for 30 minutes. After this time, prick the dough with a fork and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 13 to 15 minutes. For the topping, place honey, breakfast cream, sugar, saffron, and butter over low heat until a uniform liquid is obtained. Then add the sliced almonds and mix well, leaving it on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the dough is half baked, remove it from the oven and pour the almond mixture over it while still hot. Return it to the oven at 75 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Towards the end of baking, turn on the grill to brown the top. Let the cake cool completely after baking, then trim the edges with a sharp knife and cut into desired slices.